Oh, yeah, this feels... oh.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. I will be uploading a lot of fishing content on here. Welcome to Durban, South Africa. I am fishing the harbor right now, Wilson's Wharf, as some of you may know it. And yeah, man, it looks really good out here today. The tide is high and water looks great. Make sure to check out the weather and tides, etc. before going fishing, as this can really impact your fishing experience for the day. Anyway, let's get out there and see what we catch. We don't really have a target species, and I'm just out here catching whatever bites.
Yeah.
So yeah, enjoy the content.
Something's on here. Small one. This is that stump nose. They're probably biting, yeah. Could potentially have baited us. Let's bring that in. Could be a small one on the line, not entirely sure. Feels like a little bit of weight. I don't know. Oh, and I was right. And something small has taken our bait. Another grunter. The gut seems to be working, guys. Trust your gut. Okay, let's go send that out there. And now we wait. Oh, bro, there was something that jumped right next to where I just cast it. What is this? Potentially another small one. Yep. Oh no, this is a fucking Toby, chat. This is a Toby, potentially. And I think after we catch something like this, we're not going to catch anything at all. There you have it. Low fish. It's trying to blow me. Forget I just said that. You try to bite our hook off. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Seems like the fishing has picked up, mother flowers. Can I get another one off the bat? Something's on this. Something's on. Something did take, but I don't think there's anything. I can't even feel if it's a small one. Nope. False alarm. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we have any luck after that Toby. The blow up fish, puffer fish, puffer fish, I don't know, whatever you guys call it. Let me know in the comments. Oh. Oh, yeah, this feels... oh. Ooh, what the... This feels a little bit better than usual. Oh, okay, buddy. A little... what is this, Natal? Stump nose? Definitely felt a bit heavy on the line. Give him a kiss. Okay, here we go. Get back in there, bro. Grow up. And then come back to me. Oh, some nice pulls right there. We're still getting bit. Oh, there we go. What is this, bro? This is the one that was biting us this whole time. And there we go. Looks like a quarantine. I think it is a quarantine, actually. Not a bad one. Nice little change of spot. Pulled out a nice... Is this a quarantine or is this a Natal stump nose? I don't know. Let me know in the chat. Oh. Decent one though. Okay, let's go. Catch and release. Come on. Take it. Okay, don't take it. You won't. Yeah, you won't. I'm scared. You little bitch. Ah, that worked. That worked. Let me get over here. What is this? Here we go. Here we go. Relax, bro. Relax. It's okay. I'm gonna put you back. I'm gonna put you back. That's a good boy. Relax. Look at these spikes, chat. I don't know what this is, bro. Chat. Bro, this thing's crazy. Let's tighten that drag. Pull this guy up. Bro, what is this? Chat. What is this? Bro, I don't even want to touch this thing. This is what it's looking like. It's crazy big, bro. Hooked him on the squid. Damn. Is this even eating? I don't want to touch him.
You find it, brother?
Huh?
You find?
I don't know what this is.
Mbo!
I don't want to touch.
What's the morning of fish, look? What's the morning, was?
What fish is this?
What's the fish, look?
You're just gonna touch it.
What? Even me, I don't know. Hey. But it's a fish, you can eat this fish.
Can you eat it?
I saw someone catch it exactly like this.
You want?
Turkish, yeah?
You want?
No.
You don't want to try it? Ow! Let me go ask someone.
Maybe it's,
I'll ask the other guy. Yeah. How's it, man? Sorry. Do you know what fish this is?
Oh, sandfish.
Sandfish.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Okay. Thanks, man. To eat? Do you guys want it? Because I don't know. I don't think I want it.
Shower. It's quite nice, that fish, yeah? Yeah. Got it obviously head off. This, yeah, this is one fillet. That's got two nice big fillets on this thing.
Okay, you know what? I'll try it. Thanks,
I
man.
promise you, it's very nice.
Okay, I'll try it out. Thanks, man.
I ended up taking this fish home and cooked it up real good. But just when I was about to take my first bite, I dropped my cool drink in my plate, so yeah. I was annoyed, so I had to come back the next day to catch something to eat, and I hooked this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button to see more videos from South Africa. Bon appetit.